So the old Commander has had some changes made over the years, some adaptation. My little rail that I had put in here has popped out, so I won't use that anymore. I'm gonna have to come up with something else where to put the battery for the trolling motor. So my seat, I put the seat in from time to time. Normally I just park it up here in the tackle box. Those back here, that might change a little bit now. The tackle box has got the rod holders built into it, so it's kind of convenient. But the Commander, it's got a 400-pound capacity, this one. I've got a few things to work around. Get all this out of the way. And the securing bolts for the trolling motor don't go far enough. So I took some PVC brick molding, an old jigsaw, and I cut a little piece to fit in here. I'm gonna screw that on from the outside. I added these little guys in here to keep all this for my this is my little anchor pulley. It goes back and forth so I can stake out. So I'm just gonna take the 3/4 inch screws out from there. I had to take the 2 screws out that were for the rudder. I'm never gonna add a rudder to this, so I had to remove those. I put them in a bag, so I got them in case I need to put them back. I'm just gonna put some 1-inch screws in here to secure this brace. Let's see how it goes. All right, so those are the 1-inch panhead screws to hold those little clips in. There's our little brace. Not much to it, but it should be should do the trick. So here's our little trolling motor. 30-pound thrust. Or if I can hit 80 miles per hour, I'm gonna give it a go. So look, I don't have to take the handle off. Slides down in there. There we go. All right. That bad boy is she on there. I all of a sudden am pretty excited. One time the thunderstorms are coming through this evening, but I might just have to give this a go. Let's finish up the installation. All right, we have fully installed. And don't think she's gonna fall off. Even if it comes loose, there's no way it can pop out of there. You can't see squat, can you? That's still not right. Oh well. There we go. Anyways, here's the other situation. There's where my backside goes. And my arm to there. It is a stretch. And this thing is, it's kind of cool. It goes telescoping. I just need to telescope about another foot. And we'll be in business. $100. I'm kind of curious as to whether I should put the battery here. The cord that it comes with doesn't quite make it to the front. I was kind of wanting to put the battery up underneath here to distribute the weight a little bit. I got a lot of gear back here. I don't know if I want the big battery right here too. Maybe running down the water with the nose of the kayak up in the air. Be exciting, right? Anyways, I'm gonna get out on the water, finish this little video. maiden voyage. What do we got? What is she gonna do? Turbo boost. Full speed.